Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk to you about Jasper AI's free trial and give you my thoughts on it. If you're not familiar with Jasper AI, it's an AI-powered writing assistant that uses natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to suggest content and provide feedback on your writing style. It's a great tool for writers who are looking to improve their skills and streamline their writing process. But what really sets Jasper AI apart is its free trial. The platform offers a free plan with limited features, as well as paid plans with more advanced features. The free plan is a great way to try out the platform and see if it's right for you before committing to a paid plan. So, what do you get with the Jasper AI free trial? Well, you get access to many of the platform's core features, including suggestions for content, feedback on your writing style, and the ability to export your work to popular formats like Word and Google Docs. One of the things I really appreciate about the Jasper AI free trial is that it doesn't feel limited or watered down. You still get a lot of value even with the free plan, which is not always the case with other free trials. Another thing I like about the Jasper AI free trial is that it's easy to sign up for. All you have to do is create an account, and you are ready to start using the platform. There's no need to enter credit card information or jump through any other hoops. Of course, the free plan does have its limitations. You won't get access to some of the more advanced features that come with the paid plans. But overall, I think the free trial is a great way to test out the platform and see if it's right for you. So, if you're interested in trying out Jasper AI, I definitely recommend checking out their free trial. It's a great way to see if the platform is a good fit for your needs without committing to a paid plan right away. Link to register Jasper AI for free, under video description and comments. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.